Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll demonstrate an easy method to reverse a video snapshot. But first, please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. The process involves a few simple steps, so let's get started. Firstly, ensure that you have recorded the desired video. Let me capture one right now. I hold the camera and hit the record button. Perfect, I've recorded the video. Now let's proceed. This video showcases my keyboard, screen, mouse and my lamp in that order. Next, swipe right to access various filters. Let's skip through them until we reach the reverse effect. Now the video ends with my screen and begins with my lamp. The video is now in reverse. This is precisely how you can reverse a video or snapshot. However, there is an important note to remember. You cannot apply this effect to a video from your camera roll. It only works with video recorded live on Snapchat. Downloading a video and attempting to reverse it on Snapchat doesn't work. I've tried. So remember, record your video on Snapchat, swipe right to find the reverse filter, and there you have it. That's how you reverse a video on Snapchat. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel as a token of appreciation. Thank you, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.